Welcome to another WJCA broadcast. I'm Samantha Patrick. And I'm Madison Patrick. Thanks for tuning in. First up is Bryant, who met with the sophomore student council members to talk about the homecoming dress themes.
Hi, I'm here with Aidan, Medina, and Nora, and they're here to tell us about some of the HOCO themes and what's the theme of the dance.
So the dance theme is Disney, and for Monday it's Country versus Country Club.
Tuesday, the theme is Soccer Mom versus Football Dad.
Wednesday is Pajama.
Thursday is Biker versus Surfer.
And Friday is Disney.
Okay, thank you. Do you guys know who the DJ is this year?
So it's not the past DJ that we've had. We're getting a new DJ this year, and we'll update you guys more after that.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Bryant. I'm super excited to participate in all those themes. Next up, me and Madison Rangel met up with the upperclassmen to hear about their homecoming king and queen predictions. I'm Samantha Patrick.
And I'm Madison Rangel. Today we're going to be interviewing the upperclassmen to see their homecoming king and queen predictions.
I think that Naomi Casper and Anthony Bierce are going to be homecoming king and queen.
I think it's going to be Naomi and Luke Wolf.
I think homecoming king is going to be Anthony Bierce, and I think homecoming queen is going to be Paige Michael. I think homecoming king is definitely going to be Bierce, and I think homecoming queen is going to be Lauren. I think homecoming queen is going to be Lauren, and I think homecoming king is going to be TJ. Me too. Her too.
I think homecoming king and queen will be Naomi Casper and Luke Wolf.
I think homecoming king and queen will be Allie and TJ. I think homecoming queen will be Emma Vitus.
And I think the king will be Seth Wilkins.
I think homecoming king and queen will be Biersa and Lauren Cardwell.
I think it will be the Pickle twins and Naomi Casper.
I think it's going to be Naomi and TJ.
I think it's going to be Naomi and Biersa.
Anthony Biersa and Emma Vitus.
I think it will be TJ and Allie.
Thanks, guys. Those are some great predictions. I can't wait to see who wins. Also this week, Kayleigh and Matthew, and with the help of some of our other reporters, set up a competition between our fall sports captains.
Hi, I'm Matthew Kassel, and I'm here with girls golf and cross country, and we're doing the Captains vs. Captains Challenge. The captains for the girls golf team are
Audrey Riddell.
Abby Williams.
And the captains for the cross country team are
Jake Conn.
Aaron Nash.
and we'll be doing a hula hoop challenge. See who can hula hoop the longest.
We have a winner!
Let's go! Let's go!
And that is it.
Hi, I'm here with the captains of the volleyball team, Lauren, Emma, Jess, and Ava. And then I'm also here with the tennis captains, Allie, Molly, Genevieve, and Callie, and today we're going to be playing tug-of-war.
Go.
Now let's hear from Lillian and the new Spanish teacher here at JCA.
Hi, I'm Lillian Jungles, and I'm with our new teacher, Miss Zagal. And Miss Zagal, what college did you go to?
I went to Lewis University in Romeoville.
Miss Zagal, what do you like the most about JCA?
So I really love the school spirit. I love how involved everybody is and a bunch of sports. Some of you guys are doing like 2, 3, 4 sports a season, and you guys are super involved, and I love to see that you guys really enjoy it.
And why did you choose to teach Spanish?
So I really love Spanish, not only the language, but I think there's a lot of culture to it. So with the language, you get to kind of do both, learn the language, learn the culture, and I think it's just fun to know both and to be fluent in an ever-changing and evolving world.
Thank you so much. Welcome to JCA. Back to you, Maddie and Sam.
Thanks, Lillian, and welcome to JCA, Miss Zagal. That's all we have for you this week, but don't forget to turn in your raffle tickets to your homeroom teacher on October 19th. Also, your homecoming tickets are due by October 12th. You can purchase them using the link that was sent to your email for just $15. And don't miss out on the homecoming festivities. We have the Senior Bowl on October 9th and the homecoming parade October 14th after school. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
more information, please visit our website.